Navigating complexity. Addressing challenges in importer security filing across multiple modes of transport. Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things related to customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will explore the challenges associated with importer security filing, ISF, in multiple modes of transport. Let's discuss how importers can address these challenges and ensure compliance across different transportation methods. Understanding importer security filing, ISF. Before we delve into the challenges, let's briefly recap what importer security filing is. ISF is a mandatory requirement set by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) that mandates the submission of advance information on goods imported into the United States. Importance of multiple modes of transport. Importers often utilize multiple modes of transport, such as air, sea, land, or rail, when shipping goods internationally. Each mode of transport presents its own challenges in terms of documentation, security protocols, and compliance with customs regulations. Consistency in data documentation. One of the challenges in multiple modes of transport is maintaining consistency in ISF data documentation. Importers must ensure that the data provided in their ISF filings aligns with the specific requirements and regulations of each mode of transport, including unique identification numbers or shipping documents associated with each mode. Variations in security protocols. Different modes of transport have varying security protocols in place to ensure the safety and security of goods during transit. Importers must be aware of these protocols and adjust their ISF processes accordingly, considering factors such as sealing requirements, packaging standards, and the use of technology for tracking and monitoring. Compliance with international trade regulations. Multiple modes of transport involve compliance with international trade regulations and treaties. Importers must navigate specific regulations related to each mode, such as the International Maritime Organization's (IMO) regulations for sea transport or the International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO) regulations for air transport. Documentation requirements. Each mode of transport has its own set of documentation requirements. Importers must be aware of the necessary paperwork, such as bills of lading, airway bills, or road transport documents, and ensure that the information provided in the ISF aligns with these documents to ensure consistency in customs procedures. Timely information gathering. Gathering timely information for ISF filings can be challenging when using multiple modes of transport. Importers must have efficient communication channels with their shippers, carriers, and logistics partners to obtain accurate and up-to-date information on shipment details, including estimated arrival times, transportation routes, and any changes in the modes of transport. Integration of data systems. Integrating data systems across multiple modes of transport can be complex. Importers should seek technology solutions or customs brokerage partners that can integrate data from different transportation modes into a centralized platform, allowing for seamless data exchange and consistent ISF filings. Addressing customs and trade regulations. Each mode of transport may be subject to specific customs and trade regulations. Importers must understand these regulations and ensure that their ISF filings comply with the requirements and documentation standards of each mode, considering factors such as customs duties, tariff rates, and port-specific regulations. Harmonizing security standards. Importers face the challenge of harmonizing security standards across multiple modes of transport. Integrating different security protocols and complying with various industry standards, such as those set by the World Customs Organization (WCO) or the Transportation Security Administration (TSA), requires effective coordination and collaboration among stakeholders. Third-party relationships. When utilizing multiple modes of transport, importers often engage with different freight forwarders, shipping lines, airlines, or haulers. Managing relationships with these service providers and ensuring their compliance with ISF requirements is crucial, as any issues or non-compliance at any point in the supply chain can impact the overall ISF process. Supply chain visibility. Maintaining supply chain visibility when using multiple modes of transport is critical. Importers must ensure they have mechanisms in place to track and monitor shipments continuously, irrespective of the mode of transport, to meet ISF compliance requirements and address any potential delays or issues promptly. Collaboration with customs authorities. Importers should maintain effective collaboration with customs authorities across different modes of transport. Timely communication and coordination with customs officials enable importers to address any compliance concerns, verify ISF information accurately, and resolve any customs issues that may arise during the clearance process. Risk assessment and mitigation. Addressing challenges in multiple modes of transport necessitates robust risk assessment and mitigation strategies. Importers must identify potential risks specific to each mode, such as theft, damage, or delays, and implement appropriate risk management measures to safeguard shipments and ensure compliance with ISF requirements. Continuous compliance monitoring. Importers must continuously monitor compliance with ISF requirements throughout the entire supply chain, regardless of the mode of transport. Regular audits and internal reviews enable importers to identify areas for improvement, enhance processes, and maintain consistent compliance across different transportation methods. Technology integration. Utilizing technology solutions can help overcome challenges in multiple modes of transport. Importers can leverage automation, data analytics, and supply chain management systems to streamline ISF processes, ensure data accuracy, enhance visibility, and facilitate effective collaboration with stakeholders across different modes. Industry collaboration and best practices. Importers can benefit from collaborating with industry peers, industry associations, or trade organizations to share best practices and address challenges collectively. Participating in industry forums and engaging in knowledge-sharing initiatives can provide insights and practical solutions for handling ISF processes in multiple modes of transport. Transparency and communication. Maintaining transparency and open communication with stakeholders involved in different modes of transport is instrumental. Importers should establish clear lines of communication, provide accurate information, and collaborate openly to address challenges, ensure compliance, and maintain the integrity of their ISF processes. Continuous improvement and learning. Importers should embrace a culture of continuous improvement and learning in navigating challenges related to multiple modes of transport. Feedback, data analysis, and ongoing training enable importers to refine their processes, optimize compliance, and adapt to evolving transport regulations and industry standards. Addressing challenges in importer security filing (ISF) for multiple modes of transport requires effective coordination, streamlined data management, and compliance with customs and trade regulations. By leveraging technology solutions, fostering collaboration, and maintaining transparency, importers can overcome these challenges, ensure compliance, and enhance the efficiency of their ISF processes. Thank you for watching this video on the challenges and opportunities in importer security filing for multiple modes of transport. We hope you found this information valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade. Stay tuned for our upcoming content.